if x equal to root 3 plus root 2 over root 3 minus root 2 and y equal to root 3 minus root 2 over root 3 plus root 2, find the value of x plus y का whole square. In this problem we have given the value of x and y, then we have to calculate the value of x plus y का whole square. Solution for this problem is, first of all we take x and it is given root 3 plus root 2 over root 3 minus root 2. While rationalizing the denominator of this equation, we have to multiply with root 3 plus root 2 over root 3 plus root 2. When we rationalize the denominator, we take opposite signs to this. So here we take root 3 plus root 2. Then we have multiply with the root 3 plus root 2, also divide by with the root 3 plus root 2. Then here suppose it is a and it is v, means root 3 is a and root 2 is v. So here a plus b, then we apply a formula a minus b into a plus b, it becomes a square minus a b square. So it becomes root 3 plus root 2. Here when the base are same, power are added, here 1 and also 1. So here it becomes root 3 plus root 2 का whole square over a minus b into a plus b. This becomes a square minus b square. So here a is root 3 square minus b is root 2 square. This is equal to, now take the square of this, we get root 3 square, that is a square plus b square is root 2 square, and 2ab, that is 2 root 3 root 2 over here square root cancel with square, also here square root cancel with square. So it becomes 3 minus 2, and this is equal to square root cancel with square, also here square root cancel with square. So it becomes 3 plus 2 plus 2, or here root 3 multiply root 2 is root 6 over 3 minus 2, that is 1. So this is equal to 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 2 root 6. X equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. This is equation number 1. Also y equal to root 3 minus root 2 over root 3 plus root 2. Now by rationalizing the denominator, we get here positive sign, means root 3 plus root 2. When we rationalize this, we take negative sign, that is root 3 minus root 2. Multiply with this and also divide with the root 3 minus root 2. So this is equal to, here we apply a formula a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. In the numerator base are same, then power are added, so it becomes root 3 minus root 2 का whole square, divide by, here a is root 3 का square minus b is root 2, so root 2 का square. This is equal to, now here we apply formula a minus b का square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So it becomes root 3 square plus root 2 square minus 2 root 3 root 2 over here square root cancel with square, also here square root cancel with square, so also here square root cancel with square, so it becomes here 3 minus 2 and this is equal to 3 plus 2 minus 2 root 3 multiply root 2 that is root 6 over 3 minus 2 that is 1, so y equal to 3 plus 2 that is 5 minus 2 root 6. This is equation number 2. In the next step we add the equation 1 and 2. In the next step by adding equation 1 and 2 we get x plus y equal to 5 plus 2 root 6 plus 5 minus 2 root 6, here plus 2 root 6 cancel with minus 2 root 6, we left x plus y equal to 5 plus 5 10. Now take square both side, we get so x plus y का whole square equal to 10 का square, this is equal to 100. 10 multiplied by 10 that is 100. So in this way we find the solution of x plus y का whole square and it becomes 100. So this is our answer.